Hey everybody, this is Brian Terry with the Conservative Covered Calls Trading Group. Just wanted to go over a trade I did recently that kind of shows how we can actually make a little bit of money or at least break even when a trade moves against us. So this was a trade that I did in MRVL, and here is the original trade alert. Now this was back in March 21st. I bought the stock at $70.52 a share, and then I sold the 414.6250 call for $9. So our net cost of the trade was $61.45 a share. Now it did have a small earnings that was coming up, but that was pretty much immaterial. So the return was going to be about 1.81% with 13% downside protection. So that would seem like a lot of downside protection. So here's what actually happened on the trade. So on 4/18, I let the first option expire, and then I sold a 62 call and collected another $1.51 in credit. And then a few days later, I rolled that 4/22.62 call out a week and also down another $2. So I collected $1.54 for that last roll. So after those two rolls, it adjusted my net basis on the trade down to $58.40. So everything was really looking good until 4/29 when the market pulled back. So I was able to exit the entire trade, selling the stock, closing the stock back, and also closing out that last long call for $59. So if you look at it, excuse me, the net gain was small, 60 cents per share or 1.3%. However, the stock actually moved down 16%. So exiting the trade for a small gain was actually a big win in my book. And and then just checking the stock continued to go down. So exiting was the right move. So really, this is just a good example of the in-the-money covered call strategy, how it can reduce the effects of downward moves or at least mitigate them to some degree. So, and then on this one, the trade was actually doing really well at going into that 4/29 market sell-off. And again, what I try to do is focus on the stock basis and adjust it. And the other thing that I'm seeing is that with elevated implied volatility, we're able to go further out and still receive an excellent return on our risk. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can email me at conservativecalls@gmail.com, or you can check out our group at conservativecoveredcalls.com. I hope this has been helpful, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you very much.